I am Gianmark Angelo T. Villasino, and I'm going to introduce my system, and that is called Expense Tracker System. So I am going to introduce my system, which is called Expense Tracker System. So, in today's fast-paced business environment, companies are likely d- don't lose money because they are not earning. They lose money because they are not tracking their expenses. And so tracker system is intuitive expense management solution designed to help my business track and to manage and to analyze and optimize my financial outflows in real time. It also transforms in messy spreadsheets, lost receipts, and delayed reports into structured and actionable financial insights. So, the real problem is manual expense tracking is time consuming. And yes, manual is typically will cost you a lot of time rather than using the expense tracker system. Also, it leads to receipt loss, which, which may lead to inaccurate records, and also poor visibility that causes the overspending. So, and lastly, the financial reports are delayed or inconsistent because of the use of manual and lack of knowledge about the expense tracker system. And yeah, so the solution is it it tracks the real-time expense monitoring. It tracks every expenses at it happens, and it has no delays and surprises. So, and also it has its smart categorization, which automatically categorize expenses for clean, and it is organized already. And also, when using the expense tracker system, it is digitalized receipt management already, and every expenses you use, you'll receive a digitalized receipt, which may not be clutter forever. And also, it has also role-based access control. So someone manages and approve on my employee or the other finance overseas to to access the right level. And who am I targeting? So, like a small business, medium business, and starting up to scaling rapidly, and like corporate finance teams and hybrid teams, and like any other organizations managing project budgets. Going to introduce again expense tracker system, and which is I'm going to sell it to you so that you can use it to solve your problems like poor visibility of daily spending and lack of budget discipline and no structured expense categorization, or you're getting difficulty generating financial reports. So this may be your solution for your problem with managing your expenses. And most existing solutions are either too complex or overloaded. So when or what you are getting in my system, if I sell you this, and the number one you'll get is easy expense logging, which is you can usually use quickly add expenses with date, category, amount, and description. So, and the other feature is the smart categorization, which is it organizes automatically expenses into predefined category like miscellaneous, entertainment, bills, transportation, and food. And also, number three is your budget monitoring, like real time. You can use your set or you can set the monthly budgets or track your real time spending, and you will receive reports when you exceeds the limit. And the next one is your report or your insightful report, which includes the monthly summaries and spending trends like category-wise breakdowns. So it is or my system is scalability because it can be extended with user authentication, cloud storage, and mobile app integration. And it can also be used as AI based spending predictions, and it visualize data dashboards. And this these are my project standouts because it solves a real world problem and applicable to anyone who wants to use or to track their expenses in their daily lives. It is structured and technically scalable, and it also demonstrates full system development and life cycle. And it is easy to use and easy to test and easy to evaluate.